So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to accept an invite on Temu. So first of all, go to the Temu app, or you can even use the website, but I find this easier. On here you can see at the bottom, home, categories, you and cart. You can see the search at the top part of the page. Now through here, to accept an invite, you'll just need to get a referral code. And what does that mean? So you can go to this part of the page and you can go to settings. Once you slide all the way down, you can see here, share this app, and the person that is going to send you an invite is going to click on this, and then through either message, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, copying the link, or even some other ways, they will share this app with you. So once you receive their code, it's going to be helpful to them if through the sign-in process, you get to the point where you can type in a referral code and just type the code that they sent you, and it's going to help out with getting a discount or some other rewards and benefits for their profile. It may even encourage you to share the app as well. So that's about it. That's how you can accept an invite to the app. You'll still need to download the app through the App Store or Google Play Store, or you can use the web version, but just make sure when you're making your account to put in the code of the person who invited you to use the app in the first place. And they can find that on the option share this app. So that's about it. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Temu or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.